investors and traders, and welcome to the weekly market report with the market guys. I'm AJ Monty. This is a one-year daily candle chart of the diamonds, which is the Dow Jones Industrial Average ETF, ticker symbol DIA. And I've left my lines on the chart from last week's report so you can see exactly how well the forecast turned out. Last week I said that we would rally just a little bit and then pull back from the 20-period moving average, and that's exactly what's happened, and we came within pennies of my target price, which is right there. So my forecast for next week is pretty simple. I'm simply going to expand on that line and extend it a little bit lower because I think we will continue to pull back from that 20-period moving average as the bears start to move in. Now, if you look at the Russell 2000, which is a more broad-based index, you'll see that it's still following this longer-term trend line that I said right here we would follow, and we are at a resistance point right here. So I think we're going to continue on and get back onto this track right here, and a pullback next week is most likely to occur as we continue in this bearish turnaround point right here. Now, if we look at the spiders, that's ticker symbol SPY, it's S&P 500 ETF, you can see same thing. There's my lines. I said we would move up to the 20-period moving average and pull back. So there's nothing I really need to do here except leave that line in place as we pull back from that 20-period moving average coming into next week and ending with a lower market next week. That's my forecast. So make sure you're protecting any investment you have with close stops and maybe even exiting some positions to lighten up and create some buying power for yourself on the way down. If you look at the Qs, QQQ, that's a Nasdaq market, you could see this one pulled back a little bit, like I said early on in the week. It continued to rally though. This is the one that did not follow suit like we thought it would. And so what I am going to do right now is I'm going to draw a resistance line right here at the top because I think the market has reached resistance, and my forecast for next week is going to be lower or a pullback from that resistance. Finally, the VIX, ticker symbol VIX. It is following just as I said it would. I said it would rally. We did that, and then it pulled back. I'm going to erase all lines because what's happening now with the VIX is we're bouncing off of this 3-year support level right here. I think the VIX is going to continue to rally. I'm going to leave that in as my short-term trend line. If the VIX rallies, it means the S&P will most likely drop. I believe the VIX will find some resistance up here around 15.5, and that will again add to a leading indicator that we can put in our toolbox. If you'd like to learn more about what we do at the Market Guys, just go to the Market Guys website, click on the video tab, and from there it'll bring you to a library of videos that will help you, just short videos called market shots. It'll help you a little at a time learn the concepts of technical analysis and how we use them to forecast and also how to manage risk. Thanks for joining. Have a great week. So long.
For almost 3 decades, AJ Monty has motivated audiences worldwide about creating personal wealth and winning in business. His time-tested risk management strategies focus on ideas that involve a keep it super simple approach, also known as the KISS principle. These concepts have been delivered to people in over 16 countries around the world, reaching audiences in the millions. AJ is a best-selling author of 2 books, The Market Guy's 5 Points for Trading Success and Take Charge of Your Money Now, both of which have been featured on PBS Television, Fox Business News, ABC TV, as well as Sirius Money Radio. As a financial educator and consultant, he has worked with some of the most recognized names in the financial industry. Companies like Bank of America, Charles Schwab, E-Trade Financial, Scotiabank, and TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim. If you have ever been challenged with having to make a tough decision regarding when to buy or sell a stock, then help is on the way. The Options Oracle and Equity Oracle Alert services are designed to help you make those tough decisions. AJ will not only help you find the best trade candidates, but he will also lay out the exit strategy for each position in an easy-to-understand format that anyone can follow.
Hi, my name is AJ Monty, Chief Market Strategist for the Market Guys. For almost 30 years, I've traded stocks, options, futures, and even currencies. I've traveled the world teaching people just like you how to profit in the market using time-tested strategies that focus on risk management. You see, the secret to making money in the market depends on your ability to limit losses when you're wrong. In other words, if you want to make a lot of money in the market, don't lose a lot of money in the market. Now that may sound funny, but it's true. Most investors are challenged with two questions. The first question is, how do you find a good stock? Well, the best way to find the right stock starts with eliminating all of the stocks you would not invest in. This process of elimination is called stock screening. And our services help you overcome the odds so you're putting your money where the money is going. We're simply following the trends. The second question most people ask of me is, when is it time to sell? Well, if you don't have an answer to this question, then you might find yourself in a position where you're holding on to your stocks when things go against you. This is the worst thing you could possibly do because I believe this is no longer a buy and hold market. It has evolved into a buy and protect market. Holding on and hoping for things to get better is not a strategy. In fact, doing this will eventually lead you to a catastrophic loss, and you wouldn't want that. Our trade alert services help answer these two questions. Not only will I help you find the right trade candidate, but I'll also show you how to use the charts to manage risk. I don't use the charts to predict the future. I use them to protect the future. The charts tell me when it's time to get out as well as when it's time to get in. And that's what I'd like to teach you as well. We have two services, the Equity Oracle and the Options Oracle. The Equity Oracle is an alert service for traders who would like to trade only equities, whereas the Options Oracle is our premier alert service for both equity and option traders. Each alert is laid out in an easy-to-understand format that shows charts depicting entry and exit points. Risk management is our cornerstone of each service, so you don't have to struggle with the decision of when to get out or when a trade goes against you, when should I take my loss. The strategy is to use the KISS principle, keeping it super simple. As a bonus, you'll have access to a live Q&A session as well, each and every month. This is where you can submit a stock symbol, and I will analyze these stocks while we discuss the best trading strategies for each position. And it gets better. In addition to the alert service and the live monthly Q&A sessions, we're also developing a member page that will include instructional videos about how to get the most out of our service. Without question, this is the best trade alert service available on the market, and we look forward to having you as our newest subscriber. Simply click on the link below to subscribe. It's easy. Once again, I'm AJ Monty, Chief Market Strategist for the Market Guys. Thanks for watching.
Enrolling in this service is easy. Simply click on the link below to subscribe, and your weekly alert will be delivered right to your email box. And if you act now, we will include AJ's best-selling book, The Market Guy's 5 Points for Trading Success. This is a first-time offer that will get you on the road to success and keep you there. Remember, if you continue to do what you've always done, things will never change. Positive results will only come after you have taken the first step in the right direction. We look forward to having you as our newest member.